Let's do the sounds of all of these letters. Come, point out. Put your finger on O. O says
O.
A.
O.
What is the next letter? M.
M.
M says? M says? Bolo, you know it. Mummy starts with M, no? So what is the first sound that you hear? Mummy. So is the first sound. Is the sound of M. M is the first letter of the word mummy. So mummy में सबसे पहले कौन सा sound हमको सुनाई देता है? Yeah. Next is here. Next is, which is this letter? W.
W.
Wow. W says wow. Watch.
Watch.
Well.
Well.
Wonderful. Wonderful. So क्या सुनाई देता था? Wow. Wow. सबसे पहले. J.
J.
J says jug.
Jug.
J says j. J. Jug. Jug.
Jug.
Jam.
Jam.
Jog.
Jug.
Jelly.
Jelly.
So all these words start with j.
Jug.
Okay? And this is ha. Ha. Ha is the sound of H.
H.
Say, H is the sound of H. Bolo, ha is the sound
The sound
of H.
of
Ha. This is V.
H.
V.
V.
West. Enough? Okay. Z.
Z.
What is the sound of Z? Z.
Z.
Z. Zoo.
Zoo.
Zebra.
Zebra.
Say Z. Z is the sound of Z.
Z.
S. S is the sound of S.
S.
Yeah. Say S. S.